It's perfect for my kid's room. You can see he's definitely getting used at it. We're in the middle of some serious Lego builds over here. It has a built-in power strip up here with the cord that comes out of the back of it. It has two USB-A ports in it. One that plugs into the lights if you choose to install them, and another one you can use for charging, and 4 outlets there. It does have a remote control with lights that you can choose to attach. I just turned them on, and obviously you can scroll through different functions. Just install them underneath. I did mine all the way at the back there. It has metal, like metal hollow tube base on it. It goes around, and then a wood top. The drawers are fabric, but they're like a thick, really thick fabric. The front one is actually like a fake leather kind of cover on it, but they're pretty sturdy considering they're fabric drawers. There's 4 of them. I've got lots of room in them. Definitely a great kids desk. We're getting tons of use out of it already.
Okay, here's the finished product. It's kind of temporarily set up in here. Got the LEDs. It was really easy to put together. Take maybe an hour and 20 minutes. I was kind of taking my time. But yeah, just follow the directions. Super simple. Echo Studio sold separately. Plenty of room. 4 drawers, which are actually cloth, but plenty of room. Nice capacity for all your stuff. Very simple. It's got nice little USB ports up here. Plugs. You have 4 plugs, 2 USBs. A real nice little desk.
This is what I mean. Monitor, cables. The USB port is in the way.
This is what happens when you get bored. But I built it, and it did come with lights.